White, first position. Number 20 has it. Pass to number 16. Intercepted by number 20. Pass to number 91. Layup by number 11. Sana. Foul number 89. Number 89, please tuck in your shirt, please. First shot's no good. Second shot's good by number 16, Baules. Number 30, nothing but net for Tres. Number 36 for Rede. Lost ball at field. Intercepted by number 91, Alfredos. Number 91 is the class no good rebound, Valdez, number 16. And a shot for Valdez. It's good. Number 11, Castro. Castro, Sala. Rebound 89. Number 13, reverse layup is good. And one. Foul number 20. Basket count and 1 for 13. Shot is good. And one is good. Valdez. Intercepted pass by number 36. Drop to number 15. Number 36. No good. 89 to 13. Number 9. Number 9 shot. It's good. 2 points for number 9. Number 13 rebound. Pass to number 89 puts up. No good. Rebound number 11. Valdez, number 16. Number 9 to Valdez. Valdez has it. Out to number 9, Henry Portres. De Castro, number 11, Bumawi. 3 points by number 11. To 20, drop to number 16. Number 16 puts up the 1 rebound. Number 15. Number 15. What's up? Last half. Lost ball by number 15. Intercepted number 26. Number 36 dropped to number 21 for 2 points. Sorry, number 11. Number 11 pala. Pares from the middle, puts up, no good. The rebound number 20. Pass to 11, 11 shot, no good. Rebound number 15. Sam is coming. Number 89, cross to number 86 for 3. Substitution. Number 36 for 3 points. Sub. 5. Labas kung kompleto. Labas lahat. Kung 8 kayo, may matitira siyempre yung 2. Oh, 5 na. 36. There's a travel violation is sliding from the floor. Number 16. Number 11 for 3 against by Di Castro, 3 points. Number 16 dropped to number 15 using the glass bumawi for 3 points. Number 15. 89. Number 84, 94 pala yun. Rebound number 94, puts up, no good. Rebound 49. Pass to 43. 43. To Brian. Brian, no good. Rebound number 10. Pass to 16, Valdez. To 10. Sala. Nice toss to number 11 for 2 points. Two points for Ryan. Number 94 puts up, no good. Rebound number 10. Pass to Valdez, number 16. Number 16 is up. No good. The rim and a foul. 35. Ay, rep. Yung anong number nung walang number? Anong pangalan? Castro din? Okay. No good per shot. Second shot is good, Valdez. Number 18, another 18. Oh, reverse by number 11, Di Castro. Layup is good. Number 43 for 3. Sala, rebound, Valdez. Block. 29 to 11. 11, reverse layup. No good. $43 to 10. Pass to 49. 49 shot no good. Valdez is there for the rebound and a shot. 2 points by Valdez. And 9 to 18. Blocked by number 10. Pick up by number 43. Number 43 all the way to the hoop for the reverse layup. It's good. Number 11, Castro. $94 to 89. Sala rebound 94. 94 block, foul. Substitution. Block number 10, foul. 2 shots for number 94. Substitution. Kapos. 2 more shots. Violation. Still 2 shots. Shots good. Substitute reps. Substitute. Sharpshooter. 2 for 2. Nine to 8, 9 for 3. Pasok by number 9. Reyes. Number 10 to 36. Sana. But number 15 is there for the follow-up. 2 points for number 15. Number 9 to Brian, number 15. To Alferos, number 91. Number 91, shot no good. Last touch, Brian. Number 10 to 29. Back to 29 for 3. Talabok. Rebound number 20. Pass to 11. Long pass to 91. Alferos. Alferos to number 15. Sala. Foul number 10. Number 15 shot is good. Number 15, 2 for 2. Number 9, 91, pushing foul. Number 10, intercepted. Number 15. Number 15, Tutik-tik, tumira. Sana. About number 13. Paso number 36. Number 36 for press. Paso. Number 36. Ay! Hindi na kayo ko. Number 13 from the middle is Charles Good. 2 points. Number 9 to number 15. Almost lost it. Number 11. 2 points for number 11. Number 10. Travel violations by number 10. Pwesto kayo sa rebound. Number 15 for Tres. Sarah. Number 91. Slice. Block. Number 29 by himself. Layup is good. Number 29. Number 11 out to 91. 91 for 3 points. Talbog. Rebound number 11. Lost the ball. Pick up by number 15. Number 15. Is a travel violations by number 15.
Oh my God.
Intercepted number 36. Sub is coming. Number 10 to number 13. Substitution. Number 13, 2 points. Pasok ang 5, labas ang 5. Number 43. Valdez. Valdez shot is good from the side. Nice move by Valdez. Number 11 for Tres. Sada. Number 43 to Valdez. Number 16. Valdez fires no good. Rebound Valdez. Block. Okay. Number 0. Jump ball. Number 43 to 16. 16 na open dito Mera. Tingnan sa 43. 43 sa 43. Rebound 0. Pinasahan yung nakapakpak. Time out. Adil. Binagsak. Nakakuha ni 49. Limot ni 43. Nagpangagaw. White ball for this one. Pangagaw. 89 was the board. Number 16. Pasa sa wall. Number 89. Nice pass to number 0 for 2 points. Assisted by number 18. Valdez controls. Pass to 91 Alveros. Alveros puts up using the glass for 2. By Alveros. Intercepted by 43. Valdez. Valdez to number 91. Alferos, fake shot, no good. Rebound Alferos, and a shot, no good pa rin. Rebound 89. So 18, one shot, one hand, no good. Rebound number 43. To Valdez. Valdez, pass intercepted by number 0. Foul number 0. Pushing foul, double 0. Double O, 7. Ilan? 4? 43 no good. Last 43. Pass to 11 to 0 for 3. No good, rebound Alferos. Black ball. Foul number 11. 2 fouls. Number 11. Number 43 to 91. 91. Extra step by number 91. 89. Long pass intercepted by number 10. To Valdez, number 16. Valdez for 2 points. Score 31. Advil and SPG 40. 32 seconds left of the first half. 89 to 11. Drop to 89. 89 from the side. Talbog sa ring. Rebound by 89. 89 inulit. Sana pa rin. Foul from behind. From number 18. Time out. Advil. Dapat talaga. There's office number. Huli daw. Huli nga. Huli pa rin. 9 intercepted to number 16 Valdez for 3. Rebound number 13. Pass number 11. Number 11 drop to number 36 for 2 points. 36 layup is good. Reyes. To 43, intercepted by 13. Pass to 11, then to 13 again. Up. Number 16, holding foul.
Hello,
89 back to number 18. 18 for Tres. No good. Rebound 13. Shot is no good. Rebound Valdez. Lost ball by Valdez. Number 13 pick up. Out pass to number 36. Number 26. Sarang 3 points. Rebound number 16. Pass to number 11. Number 11 to number 15. 2 points. Pass by number 11. Last ball, pick up by number 16. Valdez. 16 to Brian. Brian, 2 points and 1. By number 15. Basket count and 1. 3 fouls, number 11. Shot is good, and one for number 15.
Ay, nako.
Number 89 to number 36. Drop to 89. Number 36 for Tres. Talbot. Boy. Follow up by number 18. 2 points. Number 9. Drop to number 16. Number 16 to number 43. 43 try for 3 points. No good. Rebound number 13. Almost lost. 89. Controls the ball. To number 36. Then to 13. Out to number 89. To number 18. Number 11. Push up. It's through. Good. Number 9 for Tres, Taray. Reyes, 3 points. Number 89 to 36. 36, bumawi sa Tres. Sala. Rebound 36, inulit. Sala pa rin, Bantes. Rebound. Fake pass and a shot by Bantes for 2 points. Number 11, tingin sa Tres, no good. Rebound Bantes. Pass to number 11. Drop to number 15. Pero hindi na siya. Drop to 13. 13, reverse layup. No good. Rebound Valdez. Valdez. Out to number 9 for Tres. Talbot for this time. Number 15 is there for the follow-up shot. By number 15 for 2.
No, nakahabol.
Number 13. Last nuts. 16-30. Number 13. Pass to 18. 18, di nakahawak. Number 9. Lumabas pa. Yun naman. Braga, number 15. Substitution. Substitution.
Mabul pa. Sayang. Binahabol, guys.
Number 10 to number 15. Number 15 nakaligaw. 2 points for number 15. Number 49 to number 20. Number 15 to take one, pass to 49. Pass to 20. Hindi nakuha pasa by number 10. Number 15 puts up, is the glass, no good. Rebound number 0. Shot is no good, but a foul by number 49. 2 shots. 2 shots for 0-0. Tapos, oh hindi, pasok. Sorry naman. Akala ko yung kapos eh. Ayun pa oh. Yun na sana. Rebound by number 20. Number 91, Alperos. Pass to number 10. Oh, intercepted by number 13. Number 10 for the layup. It's good for SPG. Alperos, Inersa, hindi umabot. Tablang. Number 49, pick up the loose ball. Ay, ating pag-head by number 49, Daray.
Tingin, tingin.
Number 29 for Tres.
Ay,
Now.
bas.
Rebound number 10. Pass to number 15. Brian! Nice layup by number 15. Self-self na lang. Now. Number 15, Pubigkas. Foul by number 20, number 20. 2-0, second foul. Number 15, Persian is good. Number 15, shot number. Rebound number 10 for an block by number 10. And still by number 10. Pass to number Alperos. Puts up. It's good. Score until 51. SPG. Illustrate. So 29-29 for Tres. Now good. Rebound 0-0. Shot is in and out. Last touch 9-1 Alperos. Number 0-0, nothing but net. Is
Bravo.
violation. Turnaround shot by number 15 for 2 points. By himself, Brian, layup, and Salah. Napalakas. Number 10 in the straight. So number 29, shot is no good. Rebound. Number 94. Shot is good.
Nice.
Nasa guhit ang point. Substitution.
Wait ball.
Number 13. Number 11 from the middle. Shot is good. Lumayo pa sa atin. Number 16 to number 9. Agaw, number 11 to 89. 89 by himself. Layup is good. 91. Controls, pass to number 9. Pass to Valdez. Valdez, intercepted by Carmin. 11 to 36. Naku, nakakuha ng 36 sa 3. Sala. Follow up by number 30. Good. Tumayo, mabansa. "91, foul from behind by number 18. Post from behind by number 18. Valdez, there, sana pa rin. Same ball. Henry for 3, Campos for this time. Rebound number 43, intercepted by number 18. So 36. 36 for 3, in and out. Rebound anyone. All the way to the layup by Alperos, number 91. It's good. Ayan na. Na-intercept na number 43. Henry daw for 3. Henry by 3 points.
Ay, naku.
Time out. SBG. Three points to the rebound number 11. Pass to 91. Foul number 18. Hitting the arm. Third foul number 18. 91 to 43. Back to 91. Drop to number 9. Number 9 to Valdez. Valdez fake shot. It's good. Fakes in a shot. Number 89. Cross to 36. Ayan na. 36 for 3. Bago na rin. Parang hit. Number 36 for 3. Albers. Nice D by White. Number 11. Nabigkas. Tumira. Rebound number 36. Drop to number 89. Number 89 has it. Controls. 18 to 11. 11 to 89. To 11. Intercepted by number 16.
Uy!
Intercepted by number 11.
Ayun o.
Number 11 is up
My
now.
God, di pa kasi
Rebound number
pinasa.
43. Long pass to number 9. So number 11. Nice pass and a shot by number 11 for 2. Reverse layup by number 13. Yun na, sa pula ulit. Ang labang ng SBE. Number 16, Valdez. Push up, no good. Tap to number 9. Number 9 for 3. Sala. Rebound number 36 to number 30. Number 13 going on up to 89. 36 for 3. Talpo. Rebound 89. Shot by 11, no good. Rebound 91. Number 11, mag-sub. Open substitution tayo. Yung gustong mag-sub. No, yung gustong mag-sub. Time out until. 5 minutes and 26 seconds on the ball. Number 15. Number 15, block from behind by Reyes. Lays up by number 11. It's good. Number 10 to 29. Intercepted 43. The number 15. The number 16 Valdez for 2. 66-70 still in favor of SPG. Pass to number 0042 by number 94. Foul number 15, pushing foul. Number 15, pushing foul. Drop, intercepted by number 00. Number 10, lays up, no good. Rebound number 29. Pass to number 11. I saw number 10. So 29 for 3, above. Ayan na. Lumamang ng malaki. Number 29, 3 points. Number 11. So number 11 puts up from the middle. It's good. Number 10 and 3. So 0-0. So number 15, 29. No, number 15. Number 15 to 29 for 3. Rebound number 15. So number 10. Number 10 is 0-0. 0-0 puts up. It's good.
3 minutes.
Number 16, nice step. Nice move by number 16 for 2 points. Intercepted number 43 and Aldayab by number 43. Lampas. Big mistake by number 43. Number 15, Saranep. Rebound number 29 to number 10 to 29. Pass to number 10. To number block by number 11 out of bounds. By number 11. Intercepted
Oh
by
my
43. Drop to number 9 to 3. It's good. Number 00. 0-0. Pass to number 15. Number 15 puts up. Sala. Rebound number 43. Number 43. Valdez. Pass. Oh, Brian. Lampas. Valdez for the rebound. Sala play. Rebound by Valdez. I fall from behind by number 29. 1 minute and 20 seconds left on the ball game. Time out, time out. Ref, time out. Okay, both teams, one time out left. Both teams, rep, one time out left. Salah. Second shot, sana pa rin. Brian is there. Reverse ko na. Foul number 15. Sub, Red? Sub. Talbog pa rin. Patatlong salang free throw. Shot is good. 74-77. Favor SPG. 1 minute and 10 seconds left. On the ball game. Number 89 to number 13. Reverse layup by number 13. It's good. Number 43, Portres. Sana. Rebound number 11. 50 seconds left.
Oh my God.
Foul number 15. Four fouls, team fouls. Number 00, shot is good. Tapos, rebound number 11. 39 to number 00 to number 36. 36, 3 now. 11 is there for the follow-up. Pushing foul, number 89. Good. Number 11. Number 9 Portres. Pasok. 5 seconds left. Lace up. Counter. Score 7-7 until SPG Madness 85.